Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off Easy Touch in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Let's scroll down and go to Shortcuts and Accessibility. Now here you can see the option of Easy Touch. If you want to disable your Easy Touch, you just have to turn off this button. That's it. So this is how to turn off Easy Touch in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.